Spiced biscuits are here. They're all ready to be eaten. What a great snack. Spiced biscuits. Let's have a taste. There you go. Very nice. Crispy. And they crumble in the mouth. That's what you have. Real buttery spiced biscuits. Let's get started. To your all-purpose flour, add baking powder, add salt, and then sift all together. Continue sifting until you finish all the flour. Next, we rub in our butter finely until it resembles breadcrumbs. Now my mixture resembles breadcrumbs. I've mixed in all the rubber, all the butter. I've rubbed it in finely. Next step, I'm going to put in my mixed spices and mix. I add my icing sugar and mix. Finally, I put in the 2 beaten eggs. Roughly combine and bring everything together using my hands. After bringing everything all together like this, using the 2 eggs, you now turn out your dough on your working surface and roll out. Use whatever cutter you have to make the shape of the biscuits that you want. Roll out thinly. Before cutting out. Decorate your biscuits using a knife in this manner so that you have beautiful biscuits. They are getting ready. These are my spiced biscuits. They're all ready for eating.